and we are in a remote jungle in the People's Republic of China, searching out the South China tiger. We've just gotten a ping on our endangered species tracker. There is one in the area. These animals are protected under the Endangered Species Act of 1973, which was instilled because of public concern over habitat degradation. Acts continue to be passed throughout the 70s, 80s, and 90s, and we are going to find this tiger. I am here with my one-woman crew, Kelly.
Hi.
And we are off.
Oh, wait up. Okay. This is great.
What's that rustling noise? Kelly, look! A poacher!
Oh my god.
What are you doing here? I didn't sign a waiver.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Emma, stop it! It's a poacher. Get away. Get away.
Right, it's a poacher. Well, poacher, what are you doing to this poor innocent South China tiger? Are you aware that they are protected under the Endangered Species Act?
It's my job. It's my job!
What are you going to use this poor tiger for anyway?
Parts.
Parts?
Oh,
Parts for
tiger.
what? A car?
No. Medicine. And I keep it as a trophy.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't you know you could be ruining an entire ecosystem by killing this top predator? The ecosystem could go into turmoil. Not to mention these tigers are beautiful creatures of much interest. Anyway, the South China tiger is critically endangered. There are possibly a few left in the wild, but they have yet to be seen. The last sighting was in 1970, so this is one for the history book.
Whoa.
Due to habitat degradation and people pressures, they became extinct. What? Over there, tied up to a tree at a poacher camp? It's, what is it? A Borneo pygmy elephant? Yo, look, signs of camp and elephant food. Here still in a remote Chinese jungle at a poacher camp where a baby Borneo pygmy elephant is tied and ready to be poached. Borneo pygmy elephants are protected in Malaysia under the Wildlife Conservation Enactment. Too bad this is Malaysia, although it's still illegal here, but it's just under less strict law. Borneo pygmy elephants are really important to protect because they have a really good genetic species diversity. So that means they developed from another species of elephants to become their own entire species. Endangered species are really important to keep biodiversity, not just biodiversity of the ecosystem, but genetic biodiversity as seen here with the baby Borneo pygmy elephant.
Go.
Saving it.
Alright.
Wow. It feels so good saving an animal rather than killing it.
Yes! So what do we do now?
Let's go.
All right. Tally ho! Oh, this jungle. Look at that. A blind girl. It's stuck to the ground. Ooh, it's pointy. Isn't the jungle beautiful?
Yeah.
What? There are over 3,000 species that are endangered, species of animals, and there are over 2,000 species of plants. We didn't get to see any endangered species of plants, but maybe next time.
Look, it's a panda!
Crikey, it's the endangered species of the giant panda on our vehicle. Fun fact about pandas, they belong to the species carnivora, but they eat over 99% bamboo. Behind the screen, get a closer look. There are a few pandas that still live in the wild, and the few that do don't live in the lowland areas where they first started. They live up in the mountainous regions because of human population, and they build their houses and things.
Guys, what are we gonna do?
We should probably just leave it be. This is its natural habitat, and we are the invaders here.
We should kill it.
No! I thought we learned something!
Guess not.
Let's see. I thought we had a great day here in the remote Chinese jungle saving endangered species. Let's go! That rustling noise?
What?
Look! Kelly! A poacher! Come on! Much interest.
No one told me my lines. Like, I'm just.
I'm gonna try to.
Critically endangered.
No, let me try it again. Looking at the camera threw me off. Okay. The critically endangered possum.
Ew.
Broken. Okay, go. Ready?
Why there's so many people here?
We are here in a poacher camp where a baby Borneo pygmy.
You said poor.
Illegal. What is this? Okay.
Crikey! It's a giant panda on our car. Fun fact about pandas.
Your face! I can't. You started to smile.
Guys, look.
Crikey! It's a panda. They belong to the classification carnivora, but they eat overnight.
Poacher, what do you think we should do?
Kill it. Panda facts again? Another one? Oh, okay, I do know another one.
What?
Okay. You that are in the wild. Stop it! Stop it!
I'm not even doing anything. I'm sorry.
Okay, right.
And they don't live many in the wild. So the few that do live in the wild, oh my god, that was so injured, obviously. And there are a few that live in the wild. Oh my god!
What are you doing?
I covered.
A few pandas that live in the wild.
Ew.
Okay, and now we